Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a chat app using Kotlin XML, and for the chat feature we are going to use ZEGOCLOUD SDK in our Android app. So first of all, let me introduce you what is ZEGOCLOUD. ZEGOCLOUD is a global communication service provider which provide powerful API and SDK from which you can integrate directly in your app. And using ZEGOCLOUD you can build real-time applications like voice calling app, video calling app, and chat calling app with minimal number line of code. You don't need to write a long code. It have a pre-built UI kits which you can directly integrate in your applications. For the UI part, you don't have to worry about the UI. It will provide a pre-built UI. So, and the best part is if you register in ZEGOCLOUD platforms here, then you get, as a free trial, you get 10,000 free minutes which you can use it in your Android applications. So to use this SDK in your applications, you first need to create your account in this ZEGOCLOUD. So I will show you how you can create your account and get your free trial minutes. So I will go to the mine and search ZEGOCLOUD, and then at the top you can see ZEGOCLOUD. Open that, and at the right corner you can see sign up button. Click on that, and after that you can create your account with Google accounts, or manually you can enter your all details and click on your start your free trials. So I will continue with Google, and then after that your account will be created successfully. Here you can see, and here you need to add some, and then company website, it is optional part, you can leave it, and industry you can choose any. And then after filling all these details you need to click on continue, and here you can see we credited your account with the following benefits. 10,000 minutes for the free minutes trial is credited in your accounts, so you can use these minutes in your Android applications by integrating the SDK. So I will go to the dashboard, so here you can see from we are going to create ZEGOCLOUD. We are going to create a chat application, so I will create chat applications. Here you can see there it provide variety type of the project. You can also create voice and the video calling app, video conference, live streaming. From here you can create any project, but in this video I am going to show you how you can create a chat application. So I will choose in-app chat and then click on next. After that I will give the project name chat, then click on continue. Let also create a new project in the Android Studio. Click on new project, and empty views activity, we are going to create this project using Kotlin and XML. So empty views activity, and give the application name at chat tutorial. You can give any name, and then click on finish. And here our project is created, and then we Here it is still showing creating, so wait few seconds. Let me show you its documentation from there. Here you can explore its documentation. It provides step by step all the process that we need to follow in order to create the our application. So we are going to create a chat application, so I will create in-app chat kit. Here you can see our final application will look something like that. Here you can see our final. It provides step by step, you don't need to worry about it. And then click on quick start, and here we go. Here are all the step. You can see within 5 minutes you can integrate these chat features in your Android applications. Here you can see we only need to add these things in our applications, then our chat application is ready. So let me see our project is created or not. It is still building. I will wait for some minutes. Yes, our project is built successful. So now go to the Gradle script here and go to the build.gradle.kts, and now we are going to follow this step by step in order to build. First of all, it's a create a project and get the app id and app sign of your project. So we first get our app id and app sign. We already created our project, here you can see. And then to get the app id and app sign, we need to create on that. Here you can see your app id, and here is the app sign. These are the important things. This is the sensitive information, so you need to keep it secret, and we are going to use this in order to integrate our chat features. So I will, let me see what it say, and get the app id and app sign of your project. Okay, and then it's a activate the in-app chat service. So we are going to activate chat service. Let me see. Here click on service management, and then click on in-app chat. Here you can see, and here you can see activate button. Click on that, activate, and ready to activate your app chat services being activated. Please wait. And then after that we need to integrate, we need to add these two lines in our setting.gradle file. So go to the setting.gradle, and here paste these two lines, and for the correct syntax you need to add these two things. And same like that. Here it is completed, and then add the dependency, modify your app level. Then we are going to copy this dependency and paste in the build.gradle app module. So I am going to paste it here and avoid using, so we will specify version and then again go to the, and remember one things, we have to exclude app compact, because here you can see it is already, here it is already declared that android x.core ktx is already declared, and from, and in this library there is also this same thing, so there will be the uh, duplicate class issue, so we are going to exclude so for this I have one code, you can copy and paste these things here, and then these things are completed. Let me and call the init method to initialize the in-app chat kit. So we are going to create one my app application class, so create on my app, and also override on create method, and after that copy and paste this code, this is Java code, we need to convert this into the Kotlin code. So I will create one function init Jego, and we'll paste these things in this, and for the Kotlin we are going to give val, and then we are going to call these things, and for the app id and app sign you can get it from your console. I already shown to you, and here our in-app chat service is activated, so go back and go to the project information and copy your app id and create one class. You can directly paste it here, but I am going to create one class for that, one object class, and write it as constants app id, and I'm going to paste my app id and copy your app sign, and after that you can get your app id from constant class, so constant dot app id, function dot app sign, and for the, we haven't sync our project, so first of all we need to sync our project, because we have added these things in our Gradle script file, so we need to sync. And also one thing I have forgot, you need to enable the jetlifier. Here I have enable jetlifier, and wait for the, yes, our project is synced successfully, and then after that I will remove these things, and I'm going to import this gym kit, and then app ID we need to convert it to too long, and here we go, the error has been gone. So now let me check the step. We have completed this step. Here you need Zego, and if you create my app applications class, then we need to give your name dot my app, and then call the connect user method on the login page to login in the app chat kit. So we are going to create one login screen, because for the demo part I am going to create a temporary login screen where the user will enter their user ID and the usernames. So let me create one empty views activity login, and I will make it is a launcher activity. So I will now click on finish, and I will make a simple login screen with 2 edit fields and 1 bottom. I will edit text. First of all, let me create one linear layout transparent, and then orientation will be the vertical, and then start I will constant the layout. And I will give some margin to look beautiful. Now I'll paste these things, and also we will align all the its content in the center. So I will give one attribute gravity, and gravity will be the center. Now everything will be in the center, you can see here, and here I will give wrap content. And then enter user ID, and I will give ID as user ID, and then I will close it. Margin bottom I will give 30, and then I will copy this same and paste it here, because we need to edit text, and in the second edit text we are going to store the username. So I will write username, and one login bottom. So for the bottom I will give 300 dp and height as a parent. Let me make 200. And ID, login, and then text, login. And now our login screen is completed, and I will add a one simple text view, app content, and then write text as a welcome back. And the text will be text size, I will make 30, and margin bottom I will make 30. Yeah, now our login screen is completed. Here you can see, you can give more margin, sorry. And after that we go to the documentation part, and we are going to copy these things and paste it in our login activity. So I will go to the login activity and paste it. Yeah. Let me check. First of all, let's enable the data binding, because for the UI and backend we need to bind. So I will enable one build features data binding and true, and then I will also mention its plugin Kotlin cap, and then click on sync now. Yeah, our project is built. Then we again go to the its layout part, and we enclosed in layout tag, because if you want to use the data binding, then we must have to enclose the tag, enclose all the contents in layout tag. And I copy this 3 attribute and paste it here. And then after that I will go to the login and I will paste this copy things. It should convert into the Kotlin automatically, but let me check. Okay, we are going to convert it manually. Java to Kotlin converter. Go to any website and paste your Java code here, and it will automatically convert those code in the Kotlin, and you can copy those codes and then you can paste it here. Yeah, now you can paste it here. You can see the error has been gone. Now for enable binding, we need to import this class, and then I will initialize the binding class data binding util dot set content view this activity login. Yeah, and then after that we are going to set a click listener on the login button, login dot click a listener, and then we are going to stack the user ID which the user will enter in the edit text. We are going to stack that, and also username binding dot, yeah, and after that we are going to use random user avatar, because for the demonstration purpose I am going to use random avatar. It will generate a one random avatar for every user. For that you need to use these things, so I will copy that things and will paste it here. And after that I will call the connect user methods, and username and after that I will remove all these things, because we have already write this code in above. Now import this library and gmirror code and call this bottom click method on the main on create method, and after that let me also handle the error part. If something error will happen, then we are going to show one message something went wrong and also the error. So for the error we are going to error info.code, yeah, and yeah, and we are going to create one conversational activity. No, we don't need to create one conversational activity. We are going to redirect in main activity. So let's set up the main activity. After that, copy this XML code and paste it in the main activity XML. You can paste it here and give ID main, because we declare one find view by ID main, that's why I'm giving this ID main. And now remove this comment, and after that the error will be gone, you can see. And let me see what is, everything is fine. And then we are going to set up one-to-one chat. So copy these things, start a single chat. After the user login, then we are going to one-to-one chat. So I will paste this method in the login activity. And here I will make main activity, and I will import the intent class. And then if the user is logged successfully, I am going to call the start single chat, and I will mention one user ID, like I'm going to mention Suraj123. Everything is, yeah, fine. And then yeah, our application is completed successfully. You can see by writing very few line of the code, our project is built up completely. You can explore its further advanced feature from here. From its documentation, you can further modify the UI part, and also if you want advanced feature, you can read this documentation and integrate these things in your Android application. For the demonstration part, I will not cover these things. I have shown the basic part. You can, so let build the project and check our app is working or not. So I will clean and rebuild my project. Now our project is launched successfully in our both devices. Here it is. Let me what? Yeah. Here are the both devices. So first of all, I will. And one thing you need to add in our Gradle script, because when I run my project in my devices, our app is getting crashed because of the JSON file. So I add this dependency in my build.gradle.kts file. So after adding this dependency, I will give full. You can add this dependency and in the version file, you can add this one, JSON, and the JSON version is 2.13.1. You can add this dependency, then after that your error will be gone and your app will be not crashed. So I have added these things, and after adding these things I run my app in these two devices. Here you can see. And now let me check, is this working or not. So first of all I will log in with temporary, any temporary. Then I will click on, first of all let me log in this, because we are going to chat with this person. So I will give id as Suraj123, because in the login activity we have given this user id. We are going to chat with this user id. So first of all login with this user id, and then write name as Suraj, and then I will click on login. And after that click allow. Here you can see no chat, and then after that I will log in with my id, and then I will click on login and will allow. And let me see. Okay, I see the problem, because we have given this start single chat function in login activity. Move this code, in the main activity, because after navigating to the main activity we are going to chat with this user id. So we are going to chat with this user id, and move this code also in the main activity. And after that again run our project, and now it will work absolutely fine. So let me wait. And here our app is launched successfully. So I'm going to log in with Suraj123, and here name as Suraj. Then I will log in, and then in my physical devices I'm going to log in with 123 name Ajay. And now if I here send hi, and here you can see automatic one dummy image is generated, because we have given one website link. And here we are chatting with the Suraj, and let me see in, yeah, here you can see one notification is also given. We are chatting with Ajay, and if I give hello, how are you, then at the real time we get the message. Here you can see. Let me also check with sending the image. I will send one random image, and here you can see our image is sent successfully, and here we have received successfully. And you can also send voice recording, emoji, and many more. Here you can see. This is it, guys. You can further modify the its functionality and add advanced features. And for now this is it. Thank you guys for the watching video, and make sure you like the video, share this video, and subscribe my channels. Thank you guys.